One of the worst approaches that we can take when we start thinking about amending garden soils is coming in with the approach that I'm going to dilute it. You're not going to dilute a clay soil. You're not going to add sand to it and dilute that. I've heard people say in the past, well, add sand, add sand. Well, that's not going to dilute that clay. It's actually going to start being a little bit detrimental to it. Till it, keep tilling it, keep tilling it, keep tilling it. You'll bust that clay up eventually. No, you won't. The clay will find its way back together. It's going to bind to itself. So I say one of the first things that we want to not do not add sand unless you really understand and know what your soil structure is. So basically for garden soils, adding sand to a heavy clay is going to make things worse. Most people think, well, I'll just add some sand to that. You don't realize just how much sand you're going to have to add to that clay soil to correct that or to amend that. Okay? Most people will just add a couple of shovelfuls of sand to a spot in the garden and they think, oh, this is going to work. This is going to dilute this down. It's going to loosen things up. It's going to, allow this clay to not be as sticky. That's just the exact opposite of what we're going to try to do. So if we don't add enough sand, we can create a dense, almost a concrete-like mix that's going to be almost impossible to work with. It takes a very high percentage of sand to actually change that texture and that structure of those clay soils. And it's usually impractical for us gardeners to find or incorporate that much sand. Now, if you're working in a container box or in an elevated garden that's not as large as a traditional garden space, yes, you can experiment with adding sand. But do remember, it's going to take a lot more than what you realize. And so for home gardens and even some of your larger raised bed gardens, let's talk more about what we can do that's going to be beneficial to that soil. And we're going to talk about the amendments of organic matter and the addition of structure building practices instead of adding sand to that.